Hey bike farmers, thanks for clicking in. Got a ride video for you today. In the randonneuring world, there's such thing as an R12 award. You get the R12 award if you ride 200K in 12 consecutive months. As you can imagine, that gets pretty hard to achieve up here in the north when our cycling season is so short. So, the folks at the Minnesota Randonneurs in Minneapolis have created a route they call the Northern Pancake. It's 200K and it's as flat as can be. We started in a northern suburb called Brooklyn Center and ride up to Princeton, kind of loop around and back down. Looks like temperatures are going to be right around freezing in the morning and then warm up to about 45 degrees. So by Minneapolis standard, that's pretty good. I think it's going to be sunny. That should keep us warm. Okay, let's just be honest. I just want to spend all day on my new bike. Really glad that I had a Saturday free that coincided with one of the Northern Pancake rides so I can see some old friends and get some late season miles in. All right, I'm going to load up and I'll see you in the city. It's a chilly morning in Minneapolis, heading up to the Speedway in Brooklyn Center for the ride start of the first Northern Pancake ride of 2023. It is currently showing 30 degrees on my car thermometer. I'm not gonna lie, jumping on a road bike at 30 degrees is generally not a good idea. But we are Northerners and we are experienced. This is November 4th, so there's no snow on the ground, there's no ice. You know, we don't have to worry about that stuff. I think it's gonna warm up to a nice balmy 45 degrees. We'll be shedding layers later. I got my amazing gloves. Looking forward to this one. Oh no! Breakfast licorice. Oh, thank you. It's a frosty one. about mile 28 at the first control here. Got ourselves a TJ's. Is this a beautiful day or is this a beautiful day? Is that a frozen pond or is that a frozen pond? Out here on the open road, kind of by myself, catching up to the group. Nice big wide shoulder. Sun's at my back, warming me up. Finally, it's gotten above freezing. My water bottles have thawed, and yeah, it's turning out to be a gorgeous day here in the north. I don't even know how many miles we've gone. Feels like about 35 or 40 miles. Lots more to go. Shaping up to be a really nice day on a bike. That's what we're after. Mile 50. Second control, the holiday. Caught the rest of the group. All right, gearing back up to head out after a little hot cocoa. It's actually nice, people are shedding layers. I'm not. I don't feel the need. All right, mile 86. Caribou coffee. John's all smiling, Dan's smiling.
Life is good.
I tell you what, I'm ready for a coffee. The infamous Minnesota Randonneurs. Okay. They all took off without me. Faffing about. Oh, I don't even have my helmet clipped. God, I'm a mess. Coffee hasn't kicked in. About 40 miles to go. Water bottles are full. I got calories in my pockets. Got rid of a layer too. It's about 50 degrees now.
Too bad.
Do a little mountain biking here. Good job, MN Randos.
Let's take a quick picture if we can get everyone to stand still for a minute.
We had a wonderful day on a bike. It was cold in the morning, but just notably cold. We didn't have anything to complain about. It was a gorgeous day out there. We had a really good crew and all the riders finished. If you like this one and want to see more, let me know in the comments. You can support the channel by subscribing and click that notification bell so you and your bikes can stay tuned.